So anyone tried, anyone, so if you try, so experience, so we need to learn Python also. We need to learn 100% so development side. So just what is what, so how we can write. So this is also most of the people nowadays, do you know Python like this they are asking. So almost all tools completed, almost all tools 99% completed. And so we'll see, so Python basics and all are fresher or anyone tried so experience. ఎవరైనా రెజ్యూమ్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారా? వాట్ ఆశీష్ శరత్ శివ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారా?
No.
అవునా, ఓకే. సో ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫ్రెషర్ ఆర్ వీఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? Okay. So now we'll see. So today onwards we'll see Python basics and all and how it will work. So I hope so here almost we cover, right? Most of the cases whatever we discussed, so that questions only they are asking interview also. In Terraform already we cover almost. Only that's enough. Interview purpose so that's enough. Interview purpose that's enough. Okay. Okay. Interview purpose. Already we cover only interview questions and what type of questions they are asking. And so that's for interview is very simple. They are not asking mostly writing and all. So mostly they are asking orally, right? Questions and answers. We need to know at least one or two lines. What is what is what is what and all. Okay. So but real time, so there is right, they are giving some KTs and they are giving and all. So that is the different story. Okay. But if you want to clear this enough, so mostly focus on Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes, Docker, and clouded AWS. And nowadays they are asking, most of the people they are asking, do you know Python and all. So this is same like shell scripting only, but we need to understand. If anyone knows C, Java, .NET, so we can easily understand what is Python and so how it will run. Okay, guys. Anyone any doubt here? These tools, major tools. So majorly we need to practice. We need to know about these are the tools. Jenkins, cloud. Anyway, one cloud, AWS cloud, right? And already we know few services, nearly at least 15 services, 15 to 20 services, right? That's enough. Next, shell Linux basic commands and also shell scripting. So if anyone is asking, can you write, do you know shell scripting means, right, how to create one sh file and how to give permission that file and how to add, how to write some lines in a file and how to execute it. That's enough. All Linux commands we are writing in the shell scripting. That's it. But we need to practice. So just Google it, many programs will come. So based on this we can write. And Docker, why you go for Docker? Mostly they are asking, so what is difference between Docker and Kubernetes? Why you go for Kubernetes? These are the common question. And so what is difference between, so in Docker they are asking few questions. Already sir cover it. And they are asking what is difference between Docker and Kubernetes? Why you go for Kubernetes? And what is Ansible? And why you should go for Ansible? And what is Terraform, right? Mostly they are asking what is Terraform and what is the, why you go for Terraform infrastructure as a code tool, right? IO infrastructure. If you want to create infrastructure, we go for Terraform without manual intervention with the help of script. These are the servers, right? How to configure servers and all very simple only, just a configuration only, and we are going to deploy. Apart from this, we are not going to do anything as a DevOps engineer. So that and all everything taking care. Okay. Now we'll see. So Python, just what is what basics and all. If you add in our resume, so we'll get more calls. If you know, if someone is asking, do you know Python? Yes, I know Python, but only you say like so basics, Python basics and all. Okay, that's enough. Anyone any doubt, guys, here? Tools and all. Hello, clear? What Chandrasekhar?
Yes, sir.
Ashish. So these are the major tools. Just try to practice. If we have any doubt, and again we can so connect, we can clear. So major tools, these are the tools. Interview purpose, 99% people are touching only Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, and one cloud, AWS, already you know, right? And Jenkins and Ansible. Apart from this, nowadays people are asking Python also. So we need to learn so some of this is very simple only. If you know shell scripting or if you know any language, Python is very simple. Python is very simple. And today we'll see so some of basics what is Python and how it will work and all. Maybe next week almost we can complete so our course and all. We can practice. Okay. Terraform Python, right? Python. Python. What is Python? Python documents. Okay. So these are the so Python and same like shell scripting. Here also some of the major concepts. These are the major. So what is so language operators input output in shell scripting how we are giving right input and out and operators plus operators means same only and these are the some of the control flows for each loop already sar cover right shell scripting same concept here also we can understand we can easily understand so don't panic this is also very simple only see here so this is the nowadays one of the popular right so tool so Python so this is scripting as well as development also so one or two companies they are using development projects development they are using Python also right Java .NET so what are these tools Java .NET these are the tools development tools right Java .NET these are the some of the .NET and Salesforce these are the some of the development tools so mostly 90% all projects running so these are the development to development so development purpose okay and the testing and all so testing tools already know right so for testing real time testing also mandatory for testing also they are using JUnit testing they are using JUnit testing Selenium testing load runner right JUnit JUnit testing. This and all taking care by developer. You don't worry. Testers and all. Selenium, Selenium testing. Next, right. Load runner. That is one more name. Load runner. There is multiple based on so performance testing, manual testing, automation testing. So we are using a multiple testing in real time. So these are the naming convention. These are the naming ETL testing, ETL testing, and also DB testing, database testing. These are the testing. Once development is done in organization, and there is a separate team, testing team, they will take care. Mostly manual testing, right? This is the first phase, manual testing, manual so testing. So once manual testing is done, and same steps we are going to implement via Selenium, or here also Python with uh, Java, Selenium with Java. Here we can use many things. Python, Selenium with Java we can use, or Python with Python with Selenium also we can use. Python also we can use. People are using multiple. That is depends on project only. So 100% they are not using only Java with Selenium. Maybe some companies they are using Python with Selenium. So different. Same way, if you go Python, this is also one language. So this is some basics understanding. Okay, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language implemented by this guy. Okay, in 1989. So these are the some basics. Okay, so this is the one language. If you want to develop any project, right Java .NET same way with the help of Python also simple projects some complex and mostly we are using for scripting purpose some automation purpose with the help of shell scripting we can do some automation in Jenkins also we written some automation right with the help of which language we are using DSL right what is DSL D in Jenkins also we used one scripting for automation purpose what is that scripting anyone domain specific language Mostly we used Groovy scripting, right? Groovy. Groovy script. పైప్లైన్ రాసేటప్పుడు మనం జస్ట్ మీరు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా గ్రూవీ. సో డిక్లరేటివ్ పైప్లైన్, స్క్రిప్టెడ్ పైప్లైన్. గాట్ ఇట్ శివ? Declarative pipeline, scripted pipeline. That is the DSL, domain specific language. And so only in Jenkins mostly we are using that scripting. And same way we can, if you want to, we can implement via shell scripting also for automation purpose. Or if you want to, we can implement Python scripting also. There is different ways we can do same thing, but depends on client. Maybe so one client they want to implement everything with the help of shell scripting. You need to know shell scripting basics and all. So one client they are expecting they want to implement some of scripting with the help of Python. So that case we need to learn what is Python scripting and some of basics and all. But all our purpose is same only. Output is same only. But we can implement a different way. Got it? Ashish Chandrasekhar, clear? So whatever they want. So mostly
Yes.
depends on client. So if you upload resume, so you are getting calls, right? That case we can understand what type of questions they are asking. So mostly they are asking, do you know shell scripting? Do you know Python scripting? Like that, there are, people are asking. In Jenkins and all, mostly we are using DSL, domain specific language. Groovy only we implemented. But if we come to some of scripting, we can use these are the popular scripting. If you want to, we can use Python scripting or we can use shell scripting. Already know shell scripting basics and all how it will work. And same concept, same thing we are going to implement with the help of Python also. With the help of Python also. Whatever you know shell scripting, just refresh it. Already some shell scripting completed, right? Same topic, same thing we can cover in Python also. Okay, now we'll see this is also one programming language. So this is also one general purpose programming language, and compare it to Java, .NET, Salesforce. So Python is very simple only. Python is very simple only. And here we are, people are following some syntax, rules and regulations. In Python no need to follow rules and regulations. See here, Python is a general uh, programming language implemented by, this is a who implemented this and all, no one is asking interview. And so mostly you need to know what is what. Now see here, this is a procedure oriented programming language and object oriented programming language, and also we can use scripting language, and also we can use a modular programming language. See here, these are the advantages of Python. If you want to, we can implement full development also, or if you want to, we can implement with the help only scripting purpose we can use it, or only object procedure oriented purpose or object oriented programming language. Which purpose you want, we can use based on your requirement. So it will support many ways. It will support many ways. So see here, this is the with the help of so implement different kinds of applications. Whatever which type of application we can implement, web applications. We can implement so automation application. We can implement so test cases. We can implement test cases means already we discussed, right? Selenium with Python test cases, automation purpose, gaming purpose, admin application purpose, animation. So whatever you want, anywhere we can use. So anywhere so we can use. So this is the, that is the greatness of Python. So Python means if you want to web application, we can use web application development, or if you want to scripting language, if we can use Python also. Scripting means mostly for automation. I want to copy files, I want to deploy one server to another server, I want to do some operation. So that case also we can use Python. So this is the, nowadays Python is also popular, and this is the multi-purpose. If you want to development purpose, we can use development purpose, or if you want to scripting purpose, we can use scripting, only automation purpose, and programming, whatever you want, we can use it. So with the help of Python, we can implement these type of applications. Web applications, automation, mobile, scientific, web scanning, test cases, and see here gaming, so GUI application, admin application, wherever you want it is suitable. That is, but first you need to understand the basics, how it will work. So see, these are the some of the wherever you want, so we can implement. Now see here, currently copy of Python are registered with the, so this is a community. So community means community and non-profitable organization called Python Software's Foundation. So this was implemented by Python Software Development Python. This is the one organization developed by, and there is many versions available. So Python software which is provided by Python software, that is C Python. There is so many right, distribution versions available. Active Python, next Anaconda Python, IPython, Pocket Python, PP Python. See here there is different versions. These are the different flavors available. So already they released. So based on this we can use it. C Python mostly we are using for C language development. This is the one language. So C is also one language. Right? C, C++, Java, .NET. These are the languages, guys. C, C++, Java, .NET, .NET, and Salesforce. These are the, and now front end tools. JavaScript. Okay, AngularJS. AngularJS, JavaScript. These are the front-end tools. AngularJS, JavaScript. So there is many front-end also available. Same way, so with the help of Python, so every language specific they released one version. So for example, my project is C-related project. So they implemented C language. They implemented with the help of C language, my project. So I want to do some automation language. So for if you want to for C related project, so for this purpose it is standard flavor of Python. It can be used to work with C language. I want to work with C language application. So we need to install the C Python. They given one Python C related. So Python we need to install. That's why we need to install so that specific version. And same way, so for example JPython, for example my project is Java related. I want to do some automation so related to Java. So that case we need to install JPython. See here, JPython. So for example IPython, this is C sharp, this is the .NET. So this is the Iron Python, it is for C sharp .NET platform. So my project is they implemented .NET C sharp. So if you want to implement, if you want to integrate with Python, we need to install this is the Iron Python. See here, this is only C sharp. Next, PY. See the main advanced PY performance will improve the because JIT compiler Java that is available. So PVM, JVM, PVM, right? Java compiler, JVM. If you install Java, we can see these words. Already you know how to install Java and all, but mostly we didn't see JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So this and all. So based on that specific software, we need to install something. If you install program files and Java and see here JDK, Java Development Kit, and same way we can see JVM also, JVM. So like this, every tool, every software that we are using some specific. So for this we need to install a specific Python package version. This is a Ruby. This is for Ruby platform and Anaconda platform. These are the some of the right different flavors. So Python people they are providing different flavors. So for C purpose we need to install C Python. For Java application we need to install J Python. For so .NET purpose we need to install Iron Python. See here, this is the Iron, and so PY Ruby Python. That is the depends on your so language. Depends on your language. So this is the difference on depends on your language. We need to install that specific related the Python, the specific related Python. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So these are the we can use. So finally, what you understand with the help of Python, we can work with any application. So with the help of Python, we can it is suitable for any application. So mobile application, web application, test cases, GUI application, admin application, animation application. So anywhere we can use it. That is based on requirement. We can use anywhere. Based on requirement, we can use anywhere. I hope you got it right. Clear. There is no specific. So your project is Python, .NET related project. We can install so Iron. Suppose your project is C related project, we need to install C Python. For example, if project is Java, so we need to install J Python. If you want to work with Python, some of the script, some of the automation and all. I hope you understand, right? Chandrasekhar, Shiva, clear? Everyone, Sharath,
Yes.
okay? This is very simple only.
Okay, sir.
This is very simple only. We need to, so here right, compare it to Java, .NET, Salesforce, and front end tools. If you know Python, this is very simple. Whatever you want, we can implement. Even shell script, compared to shell scripting, Python also very simple. So, but you need to understand some of basics, syntax, rules and regulations. If you know that rules and regulations, we can easily implement anything. Whatever we are doing with the help of shell scripting, same thing we can implement with the help of Python also. But here we need to based on your platform, we need to install that specific related Python. So C related, we need to C Python. Java related, we need to install J Python. And .NET projects, we need to install Iron Python. Like this, depends their categories. Now see here, this is the interactive mode. So this concept submitted one by one Python statement explicitly Python interpreter. Right, if you want to work with Java, already right, how to create one simple Java file. Already sir maybe explain in Maven and Jenkins. So how to create a sample Java application, we need to install Java and we need to set the path. So same way, this is also same, this is also same. See here, we need to install, this is the interactive mode, and we can submit one by one Python statement explicitly to Python interpreter by using the Python command shell line. And we can also open Python command mode wherever we want, we can open it. So if you want to, we can work with command line, or if you want to, we can open with GUI mode also, that is execute CMD mode and executable format. These are the some of, right, how we are opening. So if you open, this is the which mode, command prompt. Okay, so this is right, command mode. So whatever you want, we can type here also, py. If you type py, so here I am using so 3.7. So Python I am using py. So if you want to check Java, right, how we are checking Java version, how we are checking Java version, guys, we are using Java. See now the prompt also coming to, if you want to check Java, Maven, Jenkins, some commands, right? So if you want to see Java version, we are using so this, right? If you want to check Maven, MVN space hyphen hyphen version, clear? We are checking something, right? Same way, I need to check whether Python is available or not. So the extension should be one more thing. So put all, right, so terraform files, what is the extension, guys? All terraform files extension, we used one format,
.tf.
.tf. This is terraform file. Document means we are using .doc, and Excel means excel, excel. And so PowerPoint means ppt, and PDF means .pdf. And same way, if you want to work with so Python, shell scripting, what is the extension? Shell scripting. If you create any
.sh.
.ss file, same way, if you want to work with Python, the extension should be py. This is the some basic difference we need to understand. See here, so based on extension, we can understand if somewhere if you see any file, .ss file, for example, I created one file. So test.ss file. This is a which file? Shell script file, correct?
Shell script.
File. If somewhere if you see, for example, dev.tf file. This is a which file? Terraform file.
Terraform.
Terraform file. Okay. In same way, if we give, for example, I am giving like demo.py. Py means this is which file?
Python.
Python file. This is the basic. I hope you understand, right? So based on extension, we can easily understand which language. This is the which file. Whether it is shell file, this is the Terraform file, this is the Python file, or this is any extension. If you see somewhere Java, if you see somewhere Java, these are the Java files. These are the Java files. So for every language, we are maintaining some pattern, one specific, right, pattern, one format we are following. If anywhere if we see .java, these all are the Java files. If anywhere if we see test.sh, these all are the shell files. If we see anywhere .tf files, these all are the Terraform files. and right, YML files. What is the extension YML? Ansible and also Kubernetes. Mostly we are using one extension. What is that? Which format? Anyone? In Kubernetes, we are using some files, right? Manifest files. What is the extension? Ansible. In which on that?
Etara markup language.
We are using YML, right? YAML or YML. Correct?
Yes.
YML. Mostly in Ansible and also Kubernetes, we are using so YAML or YML. We are using extension. So based on this, we can use YAML. We can use any format. So based on this extension, we can easily understand which language I am using. Okay. So these are the some of so basic understanding how it will work. If you see sh file, this is a shell script file. In real time also we are using same pattern. If anywhere if you see sh file, this is the sh file, shell file only. If anywhere if you see tf file, this is the terraform script file. And if you see anywhere py, this is the python code, this is the terraform code, this is the shell code. If you see somewhere java dot java, this is the java code. This is the, if you see somewhere any file yaml or yml, this is the yaml file. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? So doc means, right, this is the documents, and this is the excel file, this is the powerpoint file, pdf file. Same way, so every language, every scripting, we are following one pattern. So this is the way we can easily identify. Yes, Shiva Chandrasekhar, Atash. Anyone any doubt here? So this is same only. So we can work with GUI also. We can work with the command line also. Wherever you want, we can use it. And so this is a batch wise also. Drawbacks. So once if you exit from the Python command line prompt, so the work we done going loss. So if you are work with a command line, this is like command line. This is the command line. See here, this is the CMD, right? Command prompt. So if you run any Python file here, once if I close this prompt, automatically whatever we written, that everything gone. This is the drawback of Python. See here. So once if you exit from the Python command line prompt, the work which we done going to loss. So interactive mode is suitable for the learning Python. I don't want loss my code. I don't want lose my so that output and all. So that case we go for interactive mode. We can use any IDs also. So this is the batch wide. The concept of group of batch is nothing but a group of right, Python statements. So right, Linux and shell scripting. So Linux means we are running only one command, right? Ada commands. Correct? Ada commands means only one commands we are running. Suppose if you want to run a group of commands, if you want to run group of commands, which is better? Linux means mostly we are running one command. Correct? I want to run multiple commands. If you want to run multiple commands, and which file we are going to create?
Sure.
Shell. Shell means group of commands, right? We are adding multiple commands to file and file. So this is the shell. Shell means we are group group commands, and we are executing grouping commands, whatever commands, and we are going to execute. Got it? So this is the shell. And same way with the help of Python also, so we can, if you want to, we can run command mode also. But if you close this prompt, automatically whatever we written and whatever you executed, that data will be lost. But if you want to batch wise, see here, concept of writing group of Python statement file and saving that file, the extension should be py. I want to run multiple Python commands. I want to write multiple Python statements. I want to write Python multiple statements. So how we are writing shell scripting? So in multiple Linux commands, if you want to group multiple Linux commands, we go for shell. And the same way, so if you want to write, we can use this is the, we can use a batch also. We can use batch also. That's it. We can develop the Python file by using editors, or we can use IDE also. So we can work with a command prompt, or we can work with right. what is this Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. So here also we can write whatever you want, so we can write. So whatever you want, so we can write. So this is the editors. We can use Eclipse ID. We can use many IDs available in market. Whatever you want, we can use it. Or else we can write Notepad also. Right? What is difference between Notepad, Notepad plus plus, Note Edit plus plus, Nano Editor, VAG Editor? There is many editor available in market, but all purpose is same only. All purpose is same only. Whatever you want, we can write it. Okay, these are the editors, guys. Notepad, Notepad plus plus, mostly I am using this one, right? Notepad plus plus. So if we type Notepad, we are getting only limited commands. Got it? This is the Notepad. This is the Notepad. New file, new file. See, this is the Notepad. See, only file, edit, view. Only few options available. Only few options available. Suppose if I open Notepad plus plus, see here we can see many options. This is the advanced one, right? Notepad plus plus. This is the advanced one. Whatever you want. So whatever you want, we can do it. Whatever you want. See, many options available. File, edit, search, view, encoding, decoding, language, settings, tools, macros, run, plugins, and all. But all are purpose only. Whatever you want, we can write it. So, but after writing, just save. Extension should be .py only. YML file .yaml and Python .py. Shell scripting .sh. Same pattern we need to follow. We need to follow. So like this, we can use many editors. This is depends on your wish. This is depends on your wish. There is no restriction real time also. So which editor you are compatible, we can follow that editor. We can follow that editor. We can follow editor. Same thing. I hope you understand, right? So these are the editors. We can use Visual Studio also, Eclipse also. We need to install plugin. We can work with Python. We can work with Python also. So these are the Python, whatever you want. Editors, disadvantage by using editors, so taking long time. These are the some of the what it is and by developing the Python file by using editor, we cannot use generation tools. This is a smart alpha. So if you are using so this is the editor, right? So automatically if you type something, automatically it will populate something. Automatically it will populate so something, whatever you want. So whatever you want, so we can use something. See here, these are the commands. I written for example x equal to 10. Shell scripting also we can declare, right? So if you want to print, this is a print command here. So whatever you want, we can print it. Whatever you want, we can print it. Now see here. So we can print that one. See here, there is no syntax errors. No need to give semicolon. No need to give that's and all. This is the Java only. But in Python, this is very simple. If you want to print anything and if you want to read any data, so this is and automatically it will populate. This is the object, right? If you click on this, these are the methods. These are the functions. Whichever function you are compatible, we can use it. This is a string, integer related function. And if you declare so string, for example, name equal to I given DevApps. So this is the name. See here, if I give name, we can see few more different functions. See, format, center, encoding, replace, upper. This is the one of the advantage of Python. So which based on object, automatically that related functions will be display. See here, uppercase, lowercase, ends with, starts with space, whatever. See, there is many functions available. So these things only. This is only how it will work. And IDs, Python, we can use PyCharm also. We can Eric also. We can also Eclipse. We are using NetBeans. Now I am using so which one? Here I am using which one? This is the Visual Studio Code. I am using mostly Visual Studio Code VSC. So here I am using so VSC Visual Studio Code VSC. These are the editors. These are the editors ID. Whatever you want, we can use it. But here there is no restrictions and all. Whatever you want, we can use it. There is no restriction. Download and install the Python PyCharm or open PyCharm, whatever you want. Now, if you go here, so these are the some of the features of Python. So these are the some of the features of Python. With the help of shell scripting, we have some features, right? Same way with the help of Python also. Simple and easy to learn. This is very simple language. How we can printing if you want to print anything. So we can declare the variable. we can print that variable. That's it. This is a variable. Variable is nothing but key and value pair, right? So left side is nothing but this is the key and this is the value. This is the key. This is the value. So I want to print this name. If you want to print, how we are printing in shell scripting? So in Java we are writing this like this. See here, system dot out dot println. If you want to print name, I want to give name like this. Shell scripting, if you want to print, how we are giving? I want to print name. Echo,
Oh,
mm, echo.
that name.
ఇలా వర్క్ అవుతుందా డైరెక్ట్గా షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్లో ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేస్తారు ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ సంథింగ్ సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ ఇన్ పైథాన్ దిస్ is very simple. Print variable name, that's it, nothing. See here, so in Java we need to write this much code. In shell scripting we need to write echo, and Python we need to write print statement. Print means it will print the anything whatever we declare, it will print. See, if I run, so it will print the dev apps. That's it. So only if you know one language, we can easily understand other language also. See, simple and easy to understand. Python is a very simple programming language. When we read the Python program, we can feel like so reading English statement like this. See here, here I declare one variable name equal to I give one declare dev apps. If I want to print name, that's it. For example, here I declare one variable x equal to 10. If I want to print x, that's it. Print x. Very simple. See how simple. So now if you run this, now see here, this is the dev apps, this is the X. For example, I want to print name also. See here, name is, okay, that's it. See here, if you want to give a name is, whatever you want. Now see here, give a name is, given name is, I need to use F format also, given name is. Now see here, given name is DevOps. Given name is DevOps. Here F is nothing but format. Anyway, we'll see later this and all. What is F and all. So now see here, given name is Python. So I want to print X value. Value is, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. X and double quotation close. So like this. See, X value is. So this is the, if you want to print, Python is very simple. See, so Python is a simple programming language. We can read Python programs, and also we can feel like reading some of statements, English statements. And the syntax is very simple, and so nearly 30 plus keywords are available in the Python. If you know these 30 keywords, we can easily play with the Python. There is nothing. That's it. There is nearly, so there is nearly 30 keywords. Even if you come to Java, see there is some keywords. Java keywords. Java keywords. If you give Java keywords, so these people also given. See, abstract, asset, boolean, break, bike, byte, case, catch, character, class, continue, do. So these are the Java. And same way, the Python people, they are providing 30 plus keywords. If you learn 30 plus keywords, we can easily play with Python. Even if you don't know Google it, we can copy and paste it. Okay, so these are the keywords. When you compare with the other languages, we can write programs with very less number of lines. And so there is one more, this is the one of the main advantages compared to Java, .NET, Salesforce. I want to print, I need to implement one program. But if you compare that one, if you use Python, within the short very simple lines, very less line, see, with less lines we can implement same thing whatever we want. No need to write this much code. See here, in so if you want to print something in Java, we need to use something like this, system dot out dot println. See here, println. This is the statement. In the same thing, if you want to print in Python, see, only print, that's it. No need to give anything. System dot out dot println, no need. So like this. Okay. So these are the some of the basics. And so hence more lines, and we can reduce the development time and also cost of the project also. Cost of the project also. And this is also freeware, right, and open source. We can use Python without any license. This is also freeware, no need to pay anything. Directly we can download from Google and we can install in our machine. So directly we can work with Python also. See, this is also freeware. This is also freeware and also open source. And so this is the high level programming language. Python is high level program, hence it is programmer friendly language. Being a programmer, so we are not required to concentrate low level activities like memory management and security. So this and all everything taking forward, no need to worry this security, what is the memory management, and how it will work. So this is the Java is the high level programming language, that is Java in it, JVM is there. But if we come to Python, no need to worry these things, memory and what is this and all activity security and all. So this is a high level language. Anyway, it is user friendly. No need to worry about this all these things and all. And this is a platform independent. Wherever you want, we can install it. Right now, I am in Windows. I can install Windows related Python. Suppose if you want to Linux, we need to install Linux related Python. Linux related Python. That's it. Suppose Windows, Windows related Python. So this is Windows related. This is the platform independent. So suppose if you are using Mac OS, Mac OS, so we need to install Mac related Python. That's it. They will provide. So for every flavor, they will provide the different flavor. We need to install that one. See here, that is the independent. That is the independent. So here PVM. This is the Python virtual machine. In Java, we are using JVM, Java virtual machine. See here, JVM, and same way in Python, PVM. Python virtual machine. This is the Java virtual machine. This is the JVM. This is the PVM. This is the JVM. This is the PVM. And this and all, no need to worry. Everything this is anyway, right? So this is the high level programming language, right? So everything, no need to worry. Memory management and all, security and all, everything taken care by that people. Now this is also portability. Python programs are portable. We can migrate from one platform to another platform. Suppose I implemented my project Windows, and same thing if you want to migrate Linux also we can migrate. That is portable. Python programs provide same result on any platform, any platform. So whether if you want to we can run Windows, or whether if you want to run Linux, or whether if you want to run Mac OS also, wherever you want. Output is same only. We can easily migrate also. You can easily migrate. So if you want to print in Jenkins, right? In Jenkins, if you want to run Jenkins Windows machine, we are using something, right? Batch file, correct? In same thing, in Jenkins, if you want to run Linux machine, we are using shell, shell file. This is like portable. Based on your platform, we need to update something. That is the portability also available. And this is also dynamic typed. This is very very important. So dynamically typed language. So in Python, we are not required to declare type of variable. So this is some we need to understand variables. If you want to understand variables, right? For example, in Java, for example, I want to declare so x equal to 10, x equal to 10 or 100. I given 100. So Java cannot understand. This is what type of variable? Whether it is integer variable, whether it is a float variable, whether it is string variable, whether it is decimal variable, whether it is boolean variable, we need to declare in Java. See here. So in Java, we need to declare int. This is nothing but integer variable. Suppose if you want to declare string, like this, we need to declare string str equal to s equal to devs. Okay. Next float. For example, decimal, right? Float y equal to I given. So 40 point, so 35. This is the decimal. For example, boolean, bool, boolean. Okay, boolean, true or false. For example, a equal to I given true. See here, like this. But if you come to dynamically typed, what is the greatness of Python? So in Python, we are not required to declare any type of variable. Same thing if you want to declare Python. So same thing if you want to declare Python. So here no need to mention. If see here, if I mention like this, Python can understand, hey, this is the integer variable. So for example, if I declare string variable, I am giving the same like only. Now see here, now got it. So this is the main advantage of Python. So Python know everything. See what is type. See here I am declaring x. I want to type print. If I type means so see here what is the type guys here? Integer type. Python easily understand. This is the integer type. For example, this is a string, right? I am using see print. So type of x s. If I give like this, now Python knows. See this is the what happens string dev no s name, right? Not s. This is the name. See here if I run, see here Python. This is the automatically it's Python converting. See this is very very important. So dynamically typed language. Python is which language guys? Dynamically typed languages. No need to mention anything. So Python itself it is understanding. So if you give like this it will. For example, why I am giving like this. So why I am giving so this is the float values, decimal value. Now see here if I declare here, so I am declaring y equal to, I am declaring y equal to, sorry, I am declaring y equal to 23.67 I given. Here I am using what is the type. I want to just I am printing type only, type of y. This is a which type. Now see here Python will give, see here float. One is the string. I will say the integer. So no need to mention. This is the dynamically. But in Java, if you give like this, it won't run program. In Java, if you give like this, it won't run program. So but Python is dynamically typed language. So whatever you are passing, automatically Python can understand. Hey, this is the decimal number. This is the integer value. This is the string. This is the decimal. Like this, automatically it will come. So this is the see whenever we are assigning value based on value, type will be allocated automatically. No need to mention anything in Python. No need to mention anything Python. So automatically it is converting. Hence Python is considered dynamically typed language. Dynamically. But C, Java, .NET statically typed language. Because we have to provide the type of what type at beginning. Integer type or float type or string type or decimal type we need to mention. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? This is very very important. So Python is the dynamically typed language. No need to mention anything. So no need to mention anything like this type, variable type. So Python automatically understand this is the which type, integer type, string type, decimal type, like that. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? What Shiva? Sharat, clear?
Clear.
So this is the very very important dynamically. Now compare it to other language. That is the reason Python is very simple. So if you want to write any statement in Java system dot, we are writing like this out dot print. Print we are giving x value. So we need to give like this in Java. Okay. In same thing if you want to print in Python, very simple. See here print x. That's it. See here this is the only print statement. They decrease everything. See here if you want to write in Java like this, you want to write C, we need to write some statement, and .NET also we need to write statement. But Python very simple. Python is very simple. This is the dynamic. This is the dynamically typed language. So no need to mention anything variable types and all. So based on value, automatically Python will allocate the automatically. See here type will be allocated automatically. So did I mention anything here? No, right? So see here name I typed, this is x I given, y I given. So if you see type, one is integer type, one is string type, one is float type. So dynamically automatically it is assign, Python itself it is assigning, no need to mention manually. I hope you got it right. Clear. So these are the, this is the one of the main point in Python, main point. Okay, next class we'll see what is procedure, how it will work, interpreter, and what is extension bull, embedded, extensive, limitations. These are the identifiers. So we'll see slowly some basics.